Welcome to Malaga, a vibrant port city on Spain's Costa del Sol that blends rich history with a lively modern atmosphere, boasting Moorish castles, a Roman theater, and the birthplace of Picasso. Its sunny Mediterranean climate, palm-lined beaches, and bustling tapas bars make it a favorite destination for both culture lovers and sun-seekers. Malaga is located in southern Spain on the Mediterranean coast, in the autonomous community of Andalusia. Our journey begins at the Alcazaba of Málaga, an impressive 11th century Moorish fortress known for its elegant arches, lush gardens, and sweeping views over the city and coast. Built by the Hammudid dynasty, it served both as a palace and a stronghold, reflecting the city's Islamic heritage. Just below the Alcazaba lies the Teatro Romano, Malaga's ancient Roman theater dating back to the 1st century BC. Rediscovered in the 20th century, the theater stands as a remarkable reminder of the city's Roman roots and is still used today for cultural events. Just a couple of minutes' walk away lies the Santa Iglesia Catedral Basílica de la Encarnación, commonly known as Málaga Cathedral. It stands on the site of a former mosque, with construction spanning from 1528 to 1782, blending Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architectural styles. Its north tower reaches 84 meters, making it the second highest cathedral in Andalusia after Seville's Giralda, while the unfinished south tower has earned it the nickname La Manquita, or the one-armed lady. Malaga's Centro Histórico is a charming and vibrant old town filled with narrow pedestrian streets, colorful buildings, and lively plazas. It's home to historic landmarks like the cathedral, the Roman theater, and the Picasso Museum, blending centuries of history with modern culture. Lined with boutique shops, tapas bars, and street performers, the area offers an authentic Andalusian atmosphere, day and night. Malaga's port has undergone significant revitalization, transforming into a vibrant area that seamlessly blends maritime activity with leisure and culture. A highlight of this transformation is the Palmeral de las Sorpresas, a contemporary promenade adorned with over 400 palm trees, offering scenic views, gardens, and a striking white pergola that provides shade for visitors. This area also hosts cultural venues, including the Museo Albarania, dedicated to the marine environment of the Albarán Sea, enhancing the port's appeal as a recreational destination. Thank you for watching.